Golden Life for Seniors, your trusted space for wisdom, wellness, and lifelong inspiration. If you're over 50 or just seeking life advice rooted in experience, you're in the right place. Welcome to this space where strength isn't just a physical feat, it's a testament to the resilience of the human spirit. Today, let us talk about a common challenge that many face as they step into their golden years: muscle loss. This isn't just about age. It's about understanding what our bodies need to thrive at every stage. If you find solace in these shared moments, don't forget to subscribe to Golden Life for Seniors and join our beautiful community. We share this journey together. Let's begin with something deliciously rejuvenating, a tribute to nature's vibrant spirit, berries. These tiny jewels come packed with antioxidants that help fend off muscle loss. Nature's defense mechanism against the environment, these antioxidants become your ally in combating cellular damage. Cellular damage slows down our muscle repair processes. By boosting antioxidant intake, we help our bodies clear the debris and rebuild more efficiently. Research has shown that a diet rich in berries can enhance the efficiency of muscle recovery after exercise. These efficient processes are exactly what our muscles need to bounce back stronger. Picture Sarah, a vibrant 63-year-old artist. Her days were filled with the joy of painting until stiffness and fatigue turned her world smaller. Worried, she visited her doctor, who diagnosed her with early signs of muscle loss. Feeling disheartened, Sarah began incorporating a variety of berries into her daily diet. Soon she noticed a shift. Not only did she feel more energized, but her muscles too seemed to respond better to her gentle stretching routine. "I never thought blueberries or blackberries could do so much," she admitted. "But now my body feels lighter and I'm rediscovering my active side." Berries are fantastic for sleep too. They contain compounds that help regulate melatonin production, ensuring a deeper, more restorative rest, which is critical for muscle repair. This is especially vital after 60, when natural melatonin levels tend to decline. Berries are nature's sleeping aid without the pill. Isn't that remarkable? They're also packed with dietary fiber. This helps in maintaining gut health, which plays a role in nutrient absorption and digestion. Good digestion ensures that your body gets the most out of the nutrients found in these berries, enhancing their effectiveness in combating muscle loss. As we dive deeper into this topic, keep in mind that everyone's journey is unique. What works for one may not work as well for another. Consult your doctor to understand what's best for you based on your individual needs and health conditions. Now let's focus on a powerhouse ingredient often overlooked: sesame seeds. These unassuming seeds are a treasure trove of essential nutrients like calcium, magnesium, and vitamin D, all of which play a crucial role in muscle health. Calcium is fundamental for strong bones and teeth. Adequate calcium intake supports muscle function, preventing cramps and promoting better mobility. Magnesium is crucial for energy production within our cells. It aids in converting food into energy, keeping us active and reducing muscle fatigue. Sesame seeds are a great source of both. Vitamin D aids in calcium absorption, ensuring that our bones and muscles receive the support they need. It's also known for its role in boosting the immune system and maintaining cognitive health. In fact, a study published in the Journal of Clinical Endocrinology and Metabolism found that sesame seeds improved muscle strength and bone density due to their high vitamin D content. Imagine Joseph, a 71-year-old grandfather. Always active, he started to notice stiffness and muscle discomfort. Incorporating sesame seeds into his daily meals made a noticeable difference. "I never thought something so tiny could make a big difference," he says. "But my joints feel better, and I'm more active playing with my grandkids." Sesame seeds also contain healthy fats and protein. These components contribute to overall health and support muscle maintenance. Their fiber content helps in digestion and satiety, making them a great addition to a balanced diet. For those concerned about heart health, sesame seeds contain phytosterols. These compounds have been shown to reduce cholesterol levels, promoting cardiovascular well-being. Moving on, let's shine the spotlight on a true nutritional gem: oily fish. Among the many types of fish, salmon, mackerel, and sardines stand out as exceptional sources of omega-3 fatty acids. These essential fats play a pivotal role in maintaining muscle health and reducing muscle loss. Omega-3 are vital for muscle structure and function. They promote muscle growth and reduce inflammation, allowing muscles to recover effectively after exercise or daily activities. Research indicates that omega-3 South can enhance muscle volume and strength, contributing to overall muscle health. Consider Margaret, a 59-year-old who prioritized omega-3 South in her diet. By including 2 servings of oily fish in her weekly meals, she noticed a difference. "I no longer feel like my joints are stiff and creaky," she shares. "I'm getting back the flexibility I thought I'd lost." Oily fish also provide a significant amount of protein. Protein is the building block of muscles, and adequate intake is crucial for maintaining strength. The protein in fish aids in muscle repair and growth, helping counteract muscle loss associated with aging. Additionally, these fish are rich in vitamins and minerals like vitamin D, B12, and selenium. These nutrients support not just muscle health, but also energy production and cognitive function. For those concerned about heart health, the omega-3 South in fish offer cardiovascular benefits. They promote healthy blood pressure and reduce the risk of heart disease. Next, let's highlight a pantry staple often taken for granted: nuts. These compact powerhouses are packed with alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, a type of omega-3 fat, while not as readily absorbed as the omega-3 South in fish. In nuts, can be transformed by our bodies into important compounds that support muscle health. Almonds, walnuts, and flax seeds stand out as excellent sources of ALA. They're also rich in protein, fiber, and vitamins like vitamin E. This variety of nutrients contributes to overall health and helps combat muscle loss. Meet Arthur, a 65-year-old retiree who discovered the power of nuts. By adding a small handful of almonds to his breakfast, he experienced a boost in energy and a reduction in joint stiffness. "I never realized that such small things could make such a big difference," he says. Nuts are also beneficial for heart health due to their unsaturated fats and antioxidants. They can help lower bad cholesterol and reduce the risk of heart disease, a growing concern as we age. However, it's important to consume nuts in moderation as they are calorie-dense. Small serving can make a big impact without excess calorie intake. And finally, let's delve into the realm of whole grains. These grains like brown rice, quinoa, and oats are different from refined grains. They retain the bran and germ, which are rich in essential nutrients. Whole grains are an excellent source of carbohydrates, which are the primary source of energy for our muscles. They provide a steady release of glucose into the bloodstream, ensuring a continuous supply of energy. This is vital for maintaining strength and stamina throughout the day. Let's look at Helen, a 72-year-old who incorporated brown rice into her meals. She noticed increased energy levels and a reduction in muscle soreness. "I feel lighter on my feet, and my body feels stronger than it has in years," she shares. Whole grains also contain a significant amount of fiber. Fiber supports digestive health, which is essential for nutrient absorption and waste removal. Good digestion ensures that your body extracts the maximum benefits from the foods you eat, contributing to overall well-being and strength. They also provide essential vitamins and minerals like vitamin B and iron. These nutrients play a role in energy production and oxygen transport in the body, supporting muscle function and vitality. Strength doesn't always mean lifting heavy weights. It's about living life fully, embracing every sunrise with vigor. Share this video with friends and family who might find strength in these insights. Your shares touch lives. See you in the next video.